I was going to mount these pipes up, start the engine up a few times so that I could cure these header portions of these pipes, so I could put this fiberglass exhaust heat wrap of those pipes. But to put that heat wrap on these things, I would then have to remove the pipes off of the bike, and it's such a pain to do all the silicone sealing and all of that business. I don't want to have to do it twice. I was going to take the propane torch to these and just direct it down here, but how about this? Will this work? I don't see why not. Should get pretty hot. It's starting to smoke a bit, but I'm not sure what's smoking. Oh, maybe the paint. My Drill Master heat gun is also having a pretty serious meltdown up here. But we'll keep going at this. I'm just going to keep cycling, heating these up, letting them cool down, alternating between the two pipes. Hopefully get a bit of a cure on these things. And then I'll be able to put that fiberglass wrap on here. I just took this piece off of the Harbor Freight heat gun. You gotta love these Harbor Freight tools. A heat gun that can't stand the heat. It's got a big old hole blown in it right here. And all of this melted plastic. Very nice. And now I can jam it down in there a little bit more. Oh, not much. Uh-oh. Now, I'll let them cool down for a little bit, and then I'll repeat the process probably another 2 or 3 times. This should be interesting. Some of you are going to go, what the heck are you doing? But I am going to wrap these pipes. I'm going to wrap from about here to here. That's it. I watched some videos on YouTube, some pretty good videos, and most people say to soak this stuff in water. Apparently it'll wrap better, probably less fibers come flinging off of it too. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do it dry. The seller of this stuff didn't mention anything. They have a very nice video on Amazon, and they did not say anything about soaking it in water in their video. I ordered some high temperature silicone spray, black, to spray on that stuff after I wrap this. The downside is I don't know when that stuff is going to be here or if it will ever arrive. I kind of did it. I'm sure this would have been much better with 1-inch tape and not the 2-inch tape. Now I'm wondering if I take this off and soak it in water, if it'll conform a little bit better. This is a tight radius for this stuff to conform to this bend. Alright, I took that piece off and used it to cut another piece for the other pipe. This one is soaking in water. So we'll give that a try, see if it helps for it to take the bend here. I think the soaking helped a little bit, get it to bend and conform to the radius. I used plastic tie wraps. They gave me some stainless steel ones I'll put on after I feel comfortable that this is how I want this thing to be. think that's the almost final product. I'm going to put the stainless steel tie wraps on there now. They only gave me 6 of them. Definitely going to need 2 on the terminating end. And I guess I can get away with 1 on this end. Here's my finished product. Hope it works. It's time to put that stuff on this fiberglass heat wrap. It's a decent day. I'm going to have to paint in between bursts of wind. Let's see what happens here. The high temp silicone painting is done. I hope it works. It's kind of hard to tell where you had painted. So I was painting this black onto black material. And it just kind of soaks in.